Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 6 Collins English Grammar and Composition chapter number 20. Okay, in the part 1 we have briefly discussed about the all the rules of active and passive. So if you have not watched, so you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so here we will start from the exercise number 1. So here read the sentences, circle the correct verb form to complete each sentence. Deepak dashed the letter yesterday. So here Deepak posted or was posted. So here Deepak posted because here the action is done by the subject. So here the subject is the doer of the action. Okay, not Deepak was posted. So if the question was given like the letter dash yesterday, posted or was posted, here you can write the letter was posted yesterday, but here you have to write posted. The next question here, the workers did a lot of work yesterday, but they didn't pay or were not paid. So here we are not paid. That means here the workers did a lot of work. That means here the action is done by the subject, but they were not paid. That means here this sentence here this is agentless, we can say, but they were not paid. Okay, suppose take an example, I am not paid. I am not paid. So here the agent is here not mentioned. I am not paid. That means here someone you can mention here the the employer paid something to the employee. I am not paid. So here agent is absent. We can say this is agentless passive. Okay. So here you have to write we are not paid. Then next, a new school will build or will be built on the land. Yes. So here you know that here subject is receiving or subject is performing the action. Here the subject is receiving the action. That means here the action will be done by someone. A new school will be built. So here you have to write the sentence in passive form, not active. Here someone will build a school. That means a new school will be built on the land. So here this is agentless passive. A new school will be built on the land. Okay. Then next question here, my friends. My friend speaks or is spoken 3 languages. So here you can easily find out here. Yes, speaks. That means here here the subject is the doer of the action. My friend speaks for 3 languages. So if you want to change into passive, you can write here 3 languages are spoken by my friend. So here the object is 3 languages. Okay, so here the first one you have to mention speaks. Okay. Then next year my parents have invited or have been invited to the annual day function of our school. My parents have been invited, not have invited. Okay, if my parents have invited whom? So here we get no answer. My parents have been invited. That means the school invited. That means the school has invited my parents. Okay, so here this is agentless passive. My parents have been invited to the annual day function of our school. Okay, so here the second one. Then next question here. A cricket match is played or play by 2 teams of 11 players each, right? So here the subject is not the doer of an action. So here the cricket match is played. Who played? Right? So here you can easily find by is written preposition. Okay, here a cricket match is played by, not plays by. Clear? Then next, I think this ice cream makes with milk or is made. I think this ice cream is made, not makes. This is also agentless passive. I think this ice cream is made. Okay, second one with milk. Then next question here. His songs played on the radio every day or his songs are played. Here the subject is not the doer of an action. Okay. So here his songs are played, not played, because here someone plays his song. Okay. This is agentless passive. His songs are played on the radio every day, not played. So here passive will be written, passive forms. His songs are played on the radio every day. This is agentless passive. What kind of oil uses or is used in Punjabi cooking? So you can use what kind of oil is used, not uses. Okay, so here this is also written in passive, agentless passive. Peter's mother makes his sweaters or is made. Yes, so here you can find the subject is the doer of an action. That means who makes? Yes, Peter's mother makes his sweaters. So here object you can find here object, his sweaters. So if you want to change into passive, you can write his sweaters. Okay. Yes, so tense is here present, simple present, are made by, yes, made by Peter's mother. Okay. So you have to write, the sentence is written in active voice because here the subject is the doer of an action. Clear? So here the answer. Then next here, rewrite these sentences in the passive voice. We learn our lessons every day. So when when we change active into passive, we should first find the object and then the tense of the verb. So here the object is our lessons. Our lessons. So this is possessive adjective. Our lessons. And here the tense is used to simple present. Okay. So here the object in the active voice becomes subject in the passive. So here you have to write our lessons, yes, simple present, are learned every day. There is no need to use the agent because here already our is mentioned. Our lessons are learned every day. Don't here need to use the agent by us. This is agentless, we can say. Okay. Then next question here. The hare doesn't win the race. So here the object the race object. Okay, and here the simple present tense is used in a negative form. Does not win. So you here the object in the active voice becomes subject in the passive. The race, yes, the race does not means, yes, you have to write is not as the object is singular. The race is not, yes, win, own. Past participle V3. The race is not owned by, yes, the hare. Clear? So here simple present tense is used. As the active voice there is simple present tense. So in the passive voice same tense will be followed. Clear? Then next question here. The teacher is not taking attendance. So here the object is attendance. Okay. And here the tense is used present continuous negative form. Is not taking. So here the object in the active voice becomes subject in the passive voice. Attendance, is right, is not being, yes, take to taken V3 is not being taken by the teacher. Clear? So here present continuous tense is used. So in the continuous tense we use being, B-E-I-N-G, being. Okay. Then next question here, I have spent all my pocket money. So here the object is all my pocket money. This is object. I spent what? And here the tense is used present perfect. Okay. So object in the active voice becomes subject in the passive. All my pocket money. All my pocket money. Right? Has been spent. So don't write here by me because here already my is mentioned. All my pocket money has been spent. Okay, clear? Then next question here, someone has stolen my pen. So here the object is yes, my pen, and here the tense is used has stolen, present perfect. So the object in the active voice becomes the subject in the passive. My pen, okay, my pen has been stolen, has been stolen. So don't write here by someone, okay, this is agentless passive. Clear? Then next question here, we have solved all the sums. So here the object is all the sums, and the tense present perfect. Okay, so here all the sums, okay, all the sums, right? So here present perfect tense is used, have solved, all the sums have been, right, solved by us. Okay, so here agent by us. Clear? Then next question, the mother has not cooked food for the children. So here the object is food, and the tense present perfect used in negative form. Okay, so here the object in the active voice becomes subject in the passive. So you have to write here food for the children, okay, food for the children, right, has not been cooked by mother, cooked by the mother. Clear? So here we have used has for food, food for the children has not been cooked by the mother. Clear? Then next question here, every child carried a bag. So here the object is yes, carried what? Carried a bag. So here the object is a bag, and here the tense is used carried, simple past. So here the object in the active voice becomes a subject in the passive voice. So you have to write here a bag. So you have to write here a bag, okay, was, a bag was, right, a bag was carried by every child, every child. Clear? Then next question, the farmer killed a poisonous snake. So here the object is a poisonous snake, okay, and here the tense is used to simple past. So the object in the active voice becomes subject in the passive voice. So you have to write here, okay, a poisonous snake, okay, was killed by the farmer. So you have to mention the agent, okay, by the farmer. Clear? Then next here, the hen laid 5 golden eggs. So here the object 5 golden eggs, and the tense is used simple past. So here the object 5 golden eggs. So here you have to write 5, okay, 5 golden eggs. So here the object written in a plural, so you have to use the plural verb. 5 golden eggs were, right, were laid. Then you have to write by the hen, agent, okay, the 5 golden eggs were laid by the hen. Clear? So here the answer. So here you don't need to mention, okay, so here agentless, okay. Clear? Then next here, rewrite these sentences in the active voice. A party is being held tonight at his house by his friends. So the sentence is written, okay, so you have to change into active voice. So here the tense is used present progressive, right, is being, and here yes, Object here by his friends. So object in the passive voice becomes a subject in the active voice. So here you have to write, okay, his friends are holding a party. So held, okay, so you have to write holding present continuous. His friends are holding a party tonight at his house. Clear? Then next question here. The clothes are not being stitched by the tailor. So here, yes. So here the tense is used present progressive in a negative form. And here, yes, the object in the passive voice becomes subject. That means by the tailor. So you have to write the tailor. Okay. Yes, is not stitching. Is not stitching the clothes. Okay. So here the object is a tailor. Okay, and it becomes subject in the active voice. The tailor is not stitching the clothes. Okay, clear? The next question here, a meeting is being held in the hall. So this is agentless passive and tense is used present progressive in the passive voice. Is being held. So here you have to write, we are holding a meeting in the hall. So here you have to, okay, mention the agent, subject we. We are holding a meeting in the hall. Then next question here, tennis is being played by him regularly. So here by him, so it will become he. Okay, and here the tense is used, same tense present progressive. He, yes, he is playing. He is playing tennis, okay, regularly. Clear? He is playing tennis regularly. So here the answer, he is playing tennis regularly. Then next question here, a nest has been built by the bird. So here, yes, object by the bird. Okay, so here, okay, the action is done by, okay, the bird. That means here the subject, the bird. The bird, yes, here has been built. That means present perfect. The bird has, yes, built a nest. Clear? So here the answer, the bird has built a nest. Then next question here, their homework has not been completed by them, right? So here, yes, by them agent. So here them will become they, and here the tense is used, right? Has not been, that means present perfect in negative. So you have to write here, they have, yes, they have not completed, yes, their homework. Their homework. Clear? So here the answer, they have not completed their homework. Then next question here, her sad tale has not been heard by us. So here, yes, us by agent, by us. So here by us will become subject. It becomes a subject in the active voice. We, yes, so here the tense is used to present perfect in negative. We have, right? We have not heard, yes, her a sad tale, right? We have not heard her sad tale. Clear? So here the answer, we have not heard her sad tale. Then next question here, a brave fight was put up by the Rajputs. Yes, so by the agent. So here it becomes the subject in the active voice. The Rajputs. Okay, yes, so here the tense is used, simple past, was put up. So you have to write here, the Rajputs put up a brave fight. A brave fight. Clear? So here the answer. Then next question here. The son was being looked after by his mother. Do you know, by agent, his mother. So it becomes a subject in the active voice. His mother, right? You know here past progressive is used. Was being cooked. His mother was, right? Was looking after the son. After the son. Right? The mother was looking after the son. So here the answer. The mother was looking after the son. Okay. Then next question here. An ice cream is being eaten by the child. So you know here the by plus agent. So it becomes subject in the active voice. The child. Yes, the child. You know tense is used to present progressive. Is being. Previous one was being. You have to write here the child. Yes, the child is eating an ice cream. Eating an ice cream. Clear? So here the answer. The child is eating an ice cream. Okay. Then next here. Fill in the blanks with the passive forms of the verbs given in the brackets. See dash by the advertisements on the television. Okay, so here you have to write distract verb is given. She was distracted. Okay, so here you can mention here simple past. She was distracted by the advertisements on the television. Then next question here. What time does the pharmacy dash in the morning? What time? Okay, is the pharmacy opened? Okay, opened. Do you know here simple present tense is used. Like you can mention what time is the school? Okay, opened in the morning. The cake dash by my mother. The cake has been made. You can write here has been made. Has been made by, or you can write okay has been baked. So here present perfect is used. Okay, so here yes the cake has been baked. Then next here all types of clothes. Yes, dash in this shop. All types of clothes are ironed. Simple present is used, are ironed. Okay. Then next the cards dash by the children. Okay, you know here right verb is given. You have to use here the cards have been. Okay, the cards have been written. You can write here the children have, yes, have written the cards. The children have written the cards. The cards have been written by the children. Okay. Then next question here. By whom was this? So as you know here present here a simple past is already provided. Was yes painted. Then next here Jinnah's wallet, yes, has been stolen. Has been stolen. Do you know this is agentless? We can write here. Okay, someone has stolen Jinnah's yes wallet. Okay. Then next year Krishna dash by her friends is encouraged. Okay, is simple present is encouraged. Is encouraged. Clear? And then next year the agreements dash by the presidents of the two countries. The agreements are being signed. So here present progressive can be used here, are being signed. Okay, or you can also write here the president of the two countries have signed the agreements. The agreements have been signed. Okay, so here you can also present perfect can be used here. Then next here all trains to Chennai dash cancelled. Okay, you know have been cancelled. Have been cancelled. Okay, so here present perfect tense is used. So here the answer. Then next year let's write, identify the voice of these sentences and rewrite them in the other voice. Right, the first you have to identify whether it is written in active or passive. The parents are advised by the school to check the results online. So here this is written in passive. Okay, so here by is used, and are advised, present, simple present is used. So here you have to first mention this is passive voice, then you have to change into active. Okay, so this is passive, then you have to change. Right, the school advises the parents to check the results online. Then next question here, this cafeteria serves non-vegetarian food. So here this is written in active voice, so you have to write change into passive voice, and here the object is non-vegetarian food and simple present tense is used here. Okay, so here you have to write this is active voice, so then you have to change into passive. Non-vegetarian food is served by the is served by the cafeteria. Then next question here, the army has announced a curfew. So this is written in active voice, and here the subject is the army, object a curfew, and tense present perfect. So here you have to write a curfew has been issued or announced. Clear? By the army. Then next question here, the new airport will be inaugurated by the civil aviation minister. So this is written in passive voice, by the agent, and tense simple future. So here you have to change into active voice. Here written in passive, you have to change into active. The civil aviation minister will inaugurate the new airport. Okay. Then next year, how many pieces of clothing do you need? So this is active voice. Okay, you have to change into passive. Okay, active voice. How many pieces of clothes are needed? So here agent. This is agentless passive. How many pieces of clothes are needed? Then next here, social media is used by people around the world. So this is written in passive voice, by people, and tense simple present. Okay, so here you have to write, you have to change into active voice. Yes, people around the world use social media. This is written in active voice. Then next question here, they are renovating the municipality building. So here the object is municipality building. As this is active voice. Okay, because here the subject the doer of an action. Are renovating present continuous. Okay, so here is, am, are, being will be used. Here the municipality building is being renovated. Clear? Then next question here, were any goals scored by Tarun? So this is written in passive, by Tarun, and tense simple past. Here were scored. So here you have to write Tarun. Okay, in yes no format. You have to also write the active voice in yes no. Did Tarun score any goals? Then next question here, who teaches mathematics in your school? Do here? Yes. So here passive can be formed in two ways. By whom is mathematics taught in your school? So it's another passive can be formed. Okay, so try to do on your own. You can also, as we have already discussed. Okay, so here you can also use who. Two ways can be formed passive. So here one already provided, then you have to write the another one. Then next here, a road safety awareness program is being organized by the school. So this is written in passive voice, by the agent, and tense present progressive, is being organized. Okay, so here you have to change into active voice. The school is organizing a road safety awareness program. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.